Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Monster Hunter Wilds error code, EA_1A1FD. Many players have reported encountering this error when trying to create a linked group or join a session with friends. The error message indicates that the player is already in a linked group, preventing them from joining a new one. According to our research, this issue mainly affects cross-platform play and is likely caused by game bugs or session-related conflicts. We first suggest you restart your device and check if the game has any pending updates. If an update is available, install it and try again. If the error persists, make sure that both you and your friend have cross-platform play enabled. If it is turned off, you won't be able to connect. If you are already in a linked party, it might prevent you from sending or accepting new invites. So try leaving the linked party, and then try creating a new one. Some players have fixed the issue by joining a private room and completing a mission together. Once they returned from the mission, they were able to enter the group without any problems. If the error still comes, then try this method to join a session. Simply join a recommended server. Then have your friends start a game by searching for a lobby by Hunter Friends. Then join your friend's lobby. Then one of you should send an invite to a linked party. Once you start a boss fight, if you are at the same point in the game's story, you should receive an invite to join their world and hunt together. Alternatively, you can join an environment link to explore the world together, but this might not work for quests. If the error still occurs, it is likely due to a game bug. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. Also, keep an eye out for upcoming game updates. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.